Hey everybody, Terry Brighton here from Wingham, Ontario. Just happens to be another small block Mopar on the test stand today. This one here is for David from Alberta. It's a 69 340 block and it's stroked to 416. Basically, quick blurb about the engine, ARP main bolts, windage tray. It's got a Scat bouncing rotating assembly. The part number on the rotating assembly is 1-98011BI. It's got a Comp hydraulic roller cam. The cam number is a 20-812-9. That cam has a 541 lift on intake, 537 on exhaust, and 230 and 236 duration at 50 thou. The heads on it, they're the CNC ported Speedmaster heads. I've used them a couple times now and then they seem to work pretty good. They're fairly economical. And just as a side note, I have a 79 Midnight Express with a 408 in it, the same heads, and it does low 11s with that, and it's 11-to-1 compression, so those heads seem to work pretty good. I've had good luck with them anyways. The intake, never used it before, but it's a new Jegs intake. I think it's basically a Speedmaster intake as well, just from Jegs. It's got the just a 5-quart oil pan on it. Melling's M72 oil pump. It's not high volume with the stock 5-quart pan. Actually, this engine is going in a 75 Gremlin. I think that'd be quite the ride in a Gremlin with a 416 like this. So, anyways, I might put a bit more information on the in the comments below. And anyways, let's start this up for David. My dad's truck, by the way, not mine. Ironically, he's a Chev guy and I'm pure Mopar. Anyways, let's hear this one more time from back here. The loop of the cam. It's not a real radical cam. It's gonna make enough back and run his power brake. David's 69 340 stroked to 416. Thanks for watching.